What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Daryl from Brawl Stars. Let's get started in the center of our page with the top edge of the body. We're going to start over on the left side. We're going to add a curve going up in the middle and we'll bend that down on the right side. Now from here we're just going to curve this out and then down. And we'll draw a short line going out towards the side of the body. Now we're going to curve the body coming down and then in towards the bottom. Let's start back on the left, come down, and bend that in, go to the right side. You just want to pull that in towards the same height. Now let's close off the bottom. Going back to the left, draw a straight line going all the way across towards the right. Now let's add in the legs. We're going to start from the bottom corner. We're going to draw a half circle. Coming down, just going to pull that up, leaving a small gap in between the legs. Step over, come down towards the right, and then back up. Let's round up the side of the feet. We're going to start on the left, curve out and then down. Go to the inside of the leg, go in the opposite direction. Close off the bottom with a straight line. Now I'm going to do the exact same thing on the right. Starting from the inside, go to the outside, and then we'll close this off. And then we'll give some thickness to the bottom of the feet. From the bottom corners, draw a short line coming down, and then draw another straight line. Now we're going to come back and add some detail after we've drawn in the head. Let's go back up to the top, step out to the side, draw two straight lines going up, and then close off the top with a straight line. And then from the top left corner, we'll step down and add a trim, going all the way across. Now we're going to tuck the eye in underneath that trim. And start back over on the left, draw a half circle, coming down toward the bottom, and then back up. Let's trace this out along the inside. And we'll add a small half circle right in the middle. Now we're going to wrap the top of the head in behind. Let's start on the side of the head. Just going to curve this out, and then bend that up, line this up on the right, do the same thing. Now to connect the ends with a curve, going up in the middle, and then back down. And then we'll slope the side of the head, starting back on the left, draw a straight angled line, going up and in. And then we'll close off the top, going back to the left, curve up, and then that down. Let's go over towards the right side of the head and add a half circle. Starting from the top, curve around, and then back in towards the side. And then we'll add an antenna along the top. Starting on the inside, draw one line, step out, draw that twice, close off the top with a straight line. Let's go back down and add in the shoulders. From the top corner of the body, draw a straight angled line going up and out. Do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to flatten off the end with a short line coming down and out. And we'll pull that back down and in towards the side of the body. Let's layer the hinge in behind the shoulder and the body. We'll start from the outside corner. I'm going to draw a circle going around and tucking that in. Now from here we're going to move out and draw the guns pointing out towards the side. Let's leave a gap beside the shoulder, step out, draw a straight line coming down. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. And we're just going to mirror what we do on the left towards the right side. Let's go to the bottom, draw a short line going out, and then we'll angle this down and out towards the side. Let's flatten off the bottom with a straight line going out towards the edge of the gun. And then we'll draw a straight line going all the way up towards the top, just lining up with the inside edge. Just pull this up to right about there. Close off the top with a straight line. Let's go back to the inside corner, step out, draw a short line coming down. I just want to tuck this in behind on the left and right side. Let's add another hinge on the inside of the gun. I'm just going to line this up and curve in and then out. And we'll connect the hinge to the guns. Starting at the top, draw a straight line going across, come down towards the bottom, and do that again. Let's round out the side of the gun. Starting from the top, I'm going to curve this out, come down, and then in towards the bottom. And then from the top, we're going to step out, draw a short line going down. And then from the ends, we'll draw 2 straight angle lines going up and out toward the top and bottom. And we'll close off the end with a straight line. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to connect the tip to the gun. From the top corner, step down, draw one line, and then from the bottom we'll step up, draw that again. Let's come down towards the bottom, draw another straight line going out, flatten off the end, and pull that back in. Now that we have the basic shape of our character, we're going to go back in and start adding some detail. Let's start with the helmet. Starting from the bottom corner, we're going to step up. We're going to follow that same curve, going up and in to right about there. Line this up on the right, going out and then down. And then from the inside, draw 2 straight angle lines going up and in. Close off the top with a curve. From the inside corner, we're going to leave a gap and draw another curve going across. And then we'll trace the top, going up and in, and then curve the top. Let's split the center section in half, starting back on the left, curve up, and then down. Now from the side, we're going to angle up and out, and then again, just following that same curve, going out and then down towards the side of the head. Let's go all the way up to the top, start with a straight line, come down the sides with a short line, and we'll close off the bottom. And then we'll add 3 small squares underneath, starting with the middle, start with a straight line along the top, come down the sides, close off the bottom, and leave a small gap and do that again on either side. Let's add that circle on the right side. Starting from the top, let's go all the way around, and then back up, and then add a small circle right in the middle. Now we're going to move down and add some detail to the bottom. We're going to start along the top with a straight line, and then from the ends, angle down and out towards the side, come down and in towards the bottom, and we'll close this off with a straight line. From the outside corner, draw a short line going out, angle up and out towards the shoulder, and then draw a straight line towards the side. Let's trace the top 3 sides along the inside, starting on the left, across the top, and down the side. I'm just going to pull this down and in with a short line, and then we'll close this off with a straight line. Now we leave a small gap in the center, go to the left side, draw a straight line going up, do the same thing on the right, flatten off the top, and then pull that back down towards the bottom. And then we'll add a simple heartbeat inside the screen. Starting on the left, go straight in, go up and in towards the top, come down towards the right, go back up with a short line. Now I'm just going to line this up, go straight out towards the right. Let's trace this out along the bottom. Let's go all the way down towards the bottom and add a trim. We're going to step up, draw another straight line, going all the way across, And leave a larger gap and draw another line. Let's leave a wide gap in the center, go to the left, draw one line, move over towards the right, do that again. Let's go all the way out towards the side, draw another line from the left and right. And then from the bottom, we're going to angle up and out towards the top. Let's add a square over on the left side. We'll start with a straight line, come down the sides with that equal length line, close off the bottom. Let's trace the square along the inside. And then we'll add two lines across the center. Starting from the top, we'll step down, draw 1 and 2. Now we're going to go out and add some detail to the guns. From the top outside corner, step in, draw another straight line coming down to add a trim. And we'll move in and add a circle. Let's add two vertical lines inside that circle, starting on the left and then the right. Let's go to the inside of this angled line, draw a straight line coming in, go up with a short line, and then go back out. Now from the inside of the gun, we're going to step out, draw a short line coming down, go out along the top and bottom, flatten off the end, and leave a gap and draw that again. Let's take that and do the same thing over on the right. Now let's line up with that circle, go all the way up to the top and draw two lines, one on the left and one on the right, to close off the top. And we'll do the same thing on the right. From the top right corner, step down, draw a straight line coming in, then come all the way down on top of the gun. Let's line this up on the left side, curve out and then down towards the bottom. Do the same thing on the right. And that's pretty much it. There's Daryl from Brawl Stars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.